How to connect Claude to TradingView. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Claude AI account into your TradingView account. Now you're going to have to open two specific websites, which is going to be Claude AI and as well as TradingView. Now from TradingView, make sure that you're already logged in because we're going to need to use the URL of your TradingView account. Go back into your Claude AI account and from here access your username at the lower left and then choose on settings. From settings, choose on connectors and then click this blue highlighted option that says customize. In here, right side of connectors, just please click this plus sign right here that says add connector and then choose on add a custom connector. Now from the name, simply name it as TradingView and then under the remote MCP server URL, go back into your TradingView account right here, copy this URL, go back to Claude and paste the server URL here, and then choose on add. And that's it. That is how you connect Claude to TradingView.